Mas mabilis pa yung lakad ko dito eh. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Nauna na yung ano ko. Ayun, 21. So, gate 21 tayo sa left side. 23 na duty free. 21. Hindi. Mabuti, malapit na yan eh. Yan. Bibili tayo na. Gusto mo bumili alak? Money. Ayun. Dr. Wu, Timeless na Beauty Diary, dito sa Trouble Plus. Ayun, so sa dulo tayo. Pili ka ng luggage. Ay, biya. Pwede na. Kaya ma. So, ayun yung ano. Five minutes na lang tayo. 5 minutes? Kasi dito yung, di ba, yung time pag boarding. 17. 5 o'clock? Oo, 5. Okay. May upuan naman na tayo eh. Okay lang. Ano to? Thailand.
Thailand.
Thai.
Not boarding yet. Mr. Tuyo Baby Jin, Miss Tuyo Baby Jin, seated at 38. Please kindly identify yourself to our ground state AK21. Thank you.
Ano daw? Ang dami nakikita sa'yo. Thank you. Air Asia.
With her are May, Ed, JB. Welcome aboard the Asia Flight G2133, Airbus 320 jet service bound for Manila. In a few minutes, we'll be ready for push and start. The taxi will be depart out of runway 09. Flight time for this evening's flight will be 1 hour and 40 minutes. The climbing to an altitude of 35,000. Weather on the departure is a good forecast weather, good towards weather is fair. However, we'll be doing all the necessary deviations to avoid the noise. In the meantime, sit back and relax. Thank you for choosing AirAsia and we'll give you more information as a travel process. Thank you very much and to be safe.
Pero siyang ganda naman dyan. Dati ko dyan dito. Pepe namin patras. Patras daw. Mamaya asa na pag-try? Ha? Bakit sa ano ka camera ka? Ba't sa mabunod na?
Aircraft, so we'll now demonstrate to you the safety features of these aircraft. As your safety is our concern and the safety features may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seatbelt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle. You tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, with a headband tightly around your head and
sabi ko
breathe
ilagay mo
normally.
yan dito.
It is normal for the mask not to
Isa, dalawang
fully inflate
cellphone.
after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, zip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit as it will slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest is on orange shoe for
Doon sa may ano. Ayun. Ayun siya. Oh. Wow.
Duty free. Philippine passport. Foreign passport, doon yung immigration. Buti na lang. Kusang umatong kung gumugulong-gulong. So, punta tayo sa immigration. Bureau of Quarantine. Ayun na yung luggage ko.
Ayun o. Ang ganda ko nakabalot. Bakit ba yun? Hindi ko lang.
Naku, ang bigat. Ayun na. Oh, ayun, nakita ko din luggage ko. Ayun sa CCTV. Nakalimutan ko eh.
Walang mga street light.
Ang galing mo. Parang eroplano. Ganda.
Ay, maglalang kami.
Kada.
Kada kang ito.
Gabi ko. Gabi helmet iyo. Tapos nga pala si Oren Sinuda. Arangkada ka na siya.